The following segment is sponsored by Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti.
Governor Cuomo has announced a travel enforcement operation that would affect travelers entering New York from a state that has a significant degree of community-wide spread COVID-19. Here to help examine this issue is managing partner Paul Harding of the law firm of Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti. Paul, welcome.
Thank you.
Will you just explain this enforcement?
Yeah, we saw a few weeks ago that the governor, has this ever-growing list of states that go on and off the high rate of COVID-19, said, listen, if you come into the state, airport, or you could drive in, you've got a 14-day quarantine. So one of the things they were doing at the airport is saying, look, fill out this form, stop here, let us know where you've been, let us know where you're going to go, and if by chance that you do end up with COVID-19, our tracers, and we can kind of help better regulate our state. The question is, the enforcement of that was pretty unknown.
What sort of repercussions can people face?
Well, now that they've come out and said, look, there'll be a $2,000 fine if you don't do this. And also get a sense that there's going to be a little more of record keeping, meaning people are all going to get these forms, not get off the plane and here's a form if you want to fill it out. It's kind of, here's the form if you want to get out of here quick, fill it out before you land, turn it in, and if you don't do it, you face up to a $2,000 fine.
So does the government have the authority to take such action, and is there any sort of precedent for something like this?
We think about if you've ever traveled outside the country and you come in, you go through customs, right? Customs says, you bringing any fruits, right? Did you spend any money? And if so, what are you bringing in? It's that theme, but let's call it what it is. We don't have customs in Albany, right? We can't set that up overnight, but the reality of it is they probably don't have that in place, but a $2,000 fine, most of us want to do the right thing. I think we're going to see a lot more compliance, but I don't think we're going to see 100% compliance because simply you could just fill out the form, pass by, put it in, and keep walking.
All right, some helpful information there. For more information on what your rights are, be sure to visit our website, CBS6albany.com.